Hi, today you guys are going to be making an origami box. This would be a great box to put something in for Mother's Day or another day. Okay, so all the things that you're going to need, you can use copy paper, but it's really better to use thicker paper. I found some paper around the house that's a little bit thicker, cardstock. You could also use the front and back covers of a magazine. That would work out really well too. I was going to use a cereal box, but I think that actually might be a little too thick, but you could try it if you wanted. Okay, we are going to be using also a ruler, a pencil, some scissors, and you actually might need a glue stick, but probably not. Okay, so if you don't have a glue stick, do not worry about it. Okay, we are going to be using the inches side of the ruler, so make sure that you have the inches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 12. We're going to be actually making a 7 by 7 inch square. So I'm going to go ahead and take my piece of paper and I'm going to start measuring. So I'm going to put my ruler on the edge and line it up. Here's a little line here. I know it kind of sticks out a little bit, but that's okay, because that's where I'm lined up with the line. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off a little dot at 7. Then I'm going to move this down a little bit. I'm going to mark off another one at 7. Then I'm going to move it down. Mark that one off at 7. Then I'm going to turn my ruler. I have 3 dots here. And I'm going to turn my ruler and I'm going to, with the metal edge, I'm going to line up those dots and I'm going to draw a line. So that is a line that is it's 7 inches this direction. Okay, then I need to make another one 7 inches this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and line it up on this flat edge, go to 7, make 1 dot, move this down, mark 7, move that down, put a little dot at 7. Okay, so then I have 3 dots here. I will take the metal edge, I will line it up very carefully. Notice my hands over here so that I can draw very easily over on this side. And I will go ahead and mark that. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and cut that. Square out. And just to make it easier, you could actually, and maybe I'll do that on this one here. I'll mix the papers. I'm going to put the square that I just made. I am going to go ahead with my pencil and carefully draw around it on my magazine cover. And then I will go ahead and cut very carefully. Okay, so I will get rid of those. So now I have 2 7-inch squares. I want to find the middle. So in order to do that, the easiest way is to put your ruler, the metal edge to metal edge. Okay, from this corner right here, line it up with this corner here. take your time. Go ahead and we're going to make an X through the middle. Okay, so it's easier for me since I'm right-handed just to turn the paper and line it up again on this corner and this corner. Make sure it's lined up. If you're off on this, it makes the whole thing off a little bit. Alright, so now I know where the middle is on here. So I'm going to turn my paper, and then we're going to do a lot of folding, so you're going to have to kind of pay attention. You're going to take this corner and you're going to put it to the middle, fold it to the middle, and you're going to make a crisp fold. So that means that you need to run your nail down that fold. Okay, and you can open it, turn it, go to the middle again, crisp fold, open it, fold it to the middle, crisp fold, open it, fold it to the middle, crisp fold. So now we went around all four sides. Okay, so now this is gets a little tricky here. So you're going to be taking this corner right here and you're going to fold it all the way up to this line. And we're going to do that all four sides. So this corner is going to go here, this corner is going to go there, but we'll just do it in order so you won't get mixed up. Okay, so right here, this corner is going to get folded to that dot right there. Make you a really nice crisp line. Open it. Okay, this corner here is going to go right up in there. So fold it. Nice crisp line. Open it. The more you do this, the easier it gets, but the first time you do it's pretty hard. Okay, so this corner here is going to that second line, not the first line, second line. Okay, way up there. Crisp line. Don't go over the line. I think I went up to it. I don't think it's over. Okay, we have one more side to do. This corner is going to go up to this line. Alright, crisp line. Alright. Now, this right here is the middle. So we could actually put 4 dots. This is the size of the box inside there. So we're going to draw a line that goes from there down, another line. These two should be absolutely parallel. Then you're going to go opposite. You're going to do the same thing. Now I'm just drawing on the crease. Okay, so then I have like that. Now we have to do one more little set of folds. So we're going to draw, there's a crease right here. We're going to take this and we're going to fold it up to the crease. Turn it, fold that one up to the crease, the first crease. Turn it. This is going to go right here to the first crease. One more. Right to the first crease. Okay. Then we're going to pick up our scissors. Okay, so we're going to cut along this line, and that line, and this line, and that line. Those are the only places we're going to cut. So you're going to take and cut carefully along that line, carefully along this line, turn your paper, carefully cut and carefully cut. Okay, good. Now, these are going to fold into the middle in a minute. So now turn it this way where these cut lines are on that side. And then we're going to do some folding. So you're going to fold up to the first line. Then you're going to fold up to the second line. And then you're going to fold this side and this side on top of each other. And they'll be like that. This is going to stand up, and this is going to be the sides, one side of the box. Okay, then you're going to turn it around, spin it around. You're going to do the exact same thing. We're folding up once, and we're folding up twice. Fold this side in, and this side in. Stand it up. Okay, so you can see that that's two sides. Okay, now we're going to just flip it around here, vertical again. This part here is it's going to come up, go over the top, and push down into the bottom. So now we have one side done. Turn it around. This side's going to go up, over, and press down into the bottom. Okay, so this is exactly the way it's supposed to look. This is like the bottom or top of the box. Okay, so in this case, because our paper was thick enough, we do not need to have a glue stick. Okay, so I'm going to very quickly do this other one. So I like this as the front, so I'm going to go ahead and make my X, and I'm going to use a marker just so that it's easier for you to see. So first I make my X, find the center, I line up the two corners. Okay, so there's the center of that. Then I take all four corners, I fold to the center, making a crisp line. If it's hard to make a crisp line, you can always run your scissors down it too. That's another easy way to make a crisp line. You don't always have to use your fingernail. Okay, once I've found the center, then I'm going to be doing the other folds. So I'm going to be folding it to here, and to here, and to here, and to here. So I'm going to take this corner here, fold it all the way up to there. Then I need a crisp line. Unfold it, fold this one up to that next dot at the top, unfold it, take this corner, fold it up to this dot right there, and the last one. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and mark. Here's this. This is the center. This is the size of the box. And I'm going to draw a line there and here. And I want to make sure that I do it along the crease. I was a little sloppy right there. So when I do my cutting, I want to make sure that I cut on the crease. Okay, then we have one more set of folds that we have to do. We have to fold this to this first set of creases. Okay, all the way around. There. 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 And there. And then we're ready to cut. So you're going to pick up your scissors. do not cut past that little corner there, because that's the corner of the box. Okay. Alright, now these parts go this way, and then it looks like, so it looks like that. Okay, then you're going to fold here and here, fold these in, stand that up, here, here, fold these in, stand it up, turn it this way, fold this up and over down into the bottom. Turn this one up, over, into the bottom. Okay. And there we have that part of the box. Now sometimes it's a little challenging to get the two parts together, but you can do it. Ta-da! There's your nice little present. Alright, hope you have lots of fun doing that.